Good morning, students, and welcome to your Lifespan Growth and Development online class. This week we are covering Chapter 4. Hard to believe we're already in week 4, but here we are, moving right along. This week we will remain still in the stage of infancy, but last week we looked at physical development, and this week we'll look more at the social emotional development of the stage of infancy. So taking a look at your module here, you have the PowerPoint slides. You'll complete journal number 2. You guys did a fabulous job on journal number 1. Thank you for sharing with me your thoughts on your hero and what you dread and look forward to about aging and the most difficult stage of life so far for you. This journal will have a new prompt. Remember to make sure you read thoroughly through the prompt and answer all parts of that prompt. And the exact same thing that you did for journal number 1 with formatting, etc. You did a great job with journal number 1, so same thing there. In addition to journal number 2, you do have an assignment in Connect over quality childcare indicators, and then your quiz for this chapter. So you are doing an amazing job. Keep up the good work. And as always, if you need help with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great week, everyone.